Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a granny square pattern with a daisy flower in center. I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project and a 3-ply cotton yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now we would work into this chain. First round will be started with 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Make double crochet 3 into the ring, including first 3 chains. Then make double crochet 4, make double crochet 5, and in this way make total of 12 double crochet stitches into the ring. So I have made 12 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain with white color yarn. Cut the starting yarn end. Don't cut this yellow color yarn because after second round we would use this yarn again. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, which will be counted as a triple crochet or a treble crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times. Go into the same chain 3 and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a treble crochet or a triple crochet stitch. Weave this yarn end inside this triple crochet stitch work. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times again. Go into the same chain 3, draw a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, then through other 2 and then through other 2. In this way make triple crochet 4 into the same chain 3 space and then triple crochet 5 into this same chain 3 including our first 4 chains. Now pull this yarn a little bit, remove the hook, go into the 4th chain, take the loop back on the hook and pull it through chain 4. This is called a popcorn stitch. Now make 2 chains, go into the second stitch which is after chain 3. Make treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, then make treble crochet 3, treble crochet 4, and then treble crochet 5. After making 5 treble crochet stitches, pull this yarn go into the first stitch, take the loop back on the hook and pull it through first stitch to make popcorn stitch, then make 2 chains, go into the third double crochet stitch, make treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, treble crochet 3, treble crochet 4, treble crochet 5. After making 5 stitches, pull the yarn, remove the hook, go into the first stitch, take the loop back on the hook and pull it through first stitch. This is popcorn stitch. In this way, make all popcorn stitches which are 12 in number. Now after making 2 chains at the top of this popcorn stitch, make a slip stitch with this white color yarn, and now we would work into the chain 2 space and we would use this yellow color yarn to make granny pattern. Make a slip stitch with this yellow color yarn into this chain 2 space. We would make our first corner for granny square here in this chain 2 space. So make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet, then make double crochet 2 times. Now this is a set of 3 double crochet stitches including 3 chains. Then make 2 chains for the corner and into the same space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, which is another set of 3 double crochet stitches. Now cut this white yarn strand and remove it. We have woven it inside these stitches. Now make chain 1, go into the next chain 2 space between popcorn stitches, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into it, then make chain 1 again. Into the next chain 2 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, make chain 1 again, and into the fourth chain 2 space we would make a corner again. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, then chain 2 and into the same chain 2 space again double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. So this is our pattern. Make chain 1, go into the next chain 2 space, make 3 double crochet stitches into it, then into the next chain 2 space make 3 double crochet stitches after making chain 1, then into the next space we would make corner of 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. So repeat this process till the end. So I have completed all stitches. Make chain 1, then make a slip stitch into the third chain, make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, and we would make our last slip stitch into the chain 2 space because we would start our round into this chain 2 space. So make 3 chains and for the corner make 2 more double crochet stitches in this chain 2 space, then make 2 chains and make 3 more double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space because this is our corner. and in every granny square corner we make 2 sets of 3 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 1. We would work into the chain 1 space between set of 3 double crochet stitches. So make 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 1 space. Then make chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next chain 1 space. For the corner, repeat the same process of 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. So I have completed all stitches. You can see my beginner friendly video of granny square pattern also if you are feeling difficulty in following this video. Now after making chain 1, make a slip stitch into the third chain, pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand, and now weave this yarn end with the help of tapestry needle. So I have woven the yarn end also, and our pattern of granny square with daisy flower is ready. So you can just use it to make blankets or cushions. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.